Washington's Olympic National Park has introduced an exciting new camping experience aimed at attracting more domestic travelers. Visitors can now participate in campfire cooking classes, where they learn to prepare and cook meals with fresh ingredients gathered from the park's forests and streams. This unique offering blends outdoor adventure with culinary exploration, creating memorable experiences for camping and food enthusiasts alike. Set against the park's stunning diverse landscapes, including rugged coastlines, temperate rainforests, and majestic mountain peaks, this adventure promises to be both breathtaking and delicious.